arranqué la pluma. Esto nunca.
Come here. Come here.
Never boop a bird. Boop. Never.
Give me a kiss. Good boy.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
ค่ะอันนี้เขาก็จะเป่านกหวีดเรียกเพื่อนเขาตลอดทำไมถึงรักเขาขี้อ้อนมากๆเลยนะมากๆจริงต้องได้สัมผัสแล้ว
หน้าโม Say, now, baby.
You're so aggressive. Ow. Guess mush you.
No dlaczego? Tak, dlaczego? Aspetta.
Most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone. Yeah.
No. This is mine. Absolutely not. No. Get the fuck out.
Near your dog like you're going to pet them, but don't pet them yet and see what they do.
Here are some odd facts about parrots that are kind of gross. Certain macaws have this skin on their face. When they get really excited, they blush and it turns red and gets very warm. To show affection, birds will sometimes try and feed you, which means throwing up on you. This is her trying to feed my finger. She basically wants to throw up on me. Birds have a little pouch right there where the food goes before.
¿Estás portando bien o mal? ¿Ah? Te voy a arrancar una pluma. Te arranqué la pluma porque te portaste mal.
You want to fly? You want to fly? Yeah? Are you ready? Okay. You want to do it again? Okay.
Take my money, take my wallet, take my credit cards. Here's the watch that my grandpa gave me. Here's the key to my car, Mr. Good One.
You'll fly.
doing? Really? You trying to get the snacks? It's my predicament.
What a bird. Now don't get me wrong, he absolutely loves going for walks, but what he loves the most is when he sees his bedroom and knows he's back home. This is Petey, everybody, and he's finally settling in.
Hey TikTok, let's start a new trend. First, I want you to show me your pet, and then I want